Hello guys, today I'm gonna do Universe Toys dunk into water, hot water. Make sure you get the Corona and let's go. So sticky. It's pink. My hands are a little bit sticky, guys. Smells weird though. And it's hot, like the hot spring park. Slime, see? This is slime. I'm gonna like just play with some slime. And I'm gonna take out this part because this is rusty. It's pink! The slime is pink. The slime is pink, Mommy.
Open it. Cut it.
No, you should dry it first.
Here.
And you should get all the funk out. All the cotton. I wonder who I get. So they come in this baggie so they won't get wet. Tissue, please. So the water's pink now. How did this store so fast? So all this foam stuff turns into slime. Did you know that?
Yeah.
Because it absorbs the water. So because, yeah, like that. But it feels a little bit nice.
A little bit.
Yeah, right? Okay guys, I'm back. Sorry for that because my hands were so slimy. Oh, it's hard. Oh!
You need coin?
She's totally uni. See? See? Hello, see? Totally uni. And she's from Ghana land. I think I don't know that, how to spell that. Oh, here. Here's the list. Here's the people that you have. I'm not using that. You need a sharper coin. Oh, it's working. It's working a little bit, but we need more sharper. Well, let's wait for Mommy to finish the card. So let me open another bag. What? She likes music.
You can see already.
She likes music. I think she likes something. Oh, here's are the little accessories. Oh, we can see it now. She likes to eat rocks.
I think it's cookies and
A straw. Here she is. Here she is. She does doesn't like, oh yeah, read. Because it might spoil her music. Her uniqueness is 1. Unique. Just unique. She's unique.
What did you say?
Just unique. And let's see her buddy. Now, can't wait to see her buddy. See my butt. Let's see her buddy. I wonder what buddy she will have. Let's see what buddy she likes. She has. It's a rocking. Now we have unicorn. Name. Okay, I got a boombox, a bag, and a scratch card, and she likes rock music, some cookie, and it doesn't like rain, and the uniqueness is 1. So she's 1 unique. Here is the unicorn, and I got this girl. I got this kind of girl. I think when I want to get the Charming Ming, Moo Molly, this girl with some nail polish, and some appetite bikini, and lots she's a pizza unicorn, and this girl that's from the Superstar City is Gem. Oh wait. Thank you for watching my video, and don't forget, in Hello Kitty Palace, you should buy one of these, and don't scratch the card too much because it's gonna get broken. Bye, viewers.